Hey everyone, this is David Brown with the migration update for May 27th, 2022 from the Braddock Bay Hawk Watch. Today was rainy in the morning and then the afternoon was just cloudy with occasional showers, so the raptor count was not conducted, but I did go out to the park for a little while. There was a bit of a northeast lake breeze and there was quite a bit of fog out over the bay. There was a decent amount of bird activity though. Here we have a barn swallow perched on the Hawk Watch platform. I ended up walking over to the East Spit just to get some exercise in, and also there were a huge number of shorebirds seen on the barrier island early this morning, although I think everyone had to wade across the water to get over there, so I wasn't able to check out the beaches over there to see if there were any left, but just huge numbers of migrating shorebirds knocked down by the rain. Again, it was quite foggy, so I saw a lot of spotted sandpipers, but I couldn't find any other shorebirds. But the East Spit is always a nice place to get a walk in, and I haven't been going there very often this year, so it was nice to get one more visit in. And on my way out, I spotted this mama wood duck with some babies. Once I got back to Braddock Bay Park, I spotted this eastern kingbird. Here we have a chimney swift with only one wing. Actually, of course, that's a joke. It's just you can't see the other wing because of the angle. And as I kept watching, I was seeing some common grackles like this one and also European starlings carrying things. And I don't know if they're flowers off of trees or what exactly they're carrying. Some kind of food, I guess. Here's a starling carrying something. I'd also like to mention that I just made an Instagram account for eBird and plan to be pretty active with posting photos and videos. So if you're an Instagram user, search for eBird and give us a follow. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook as well at eBird. And of course, you can always check out our website, eBirds.com, where we have a lot of cool features. We have a daily ID quiz, or you can always choose a random one. And if we do that, we can try to figure out, this looks like a chimney swift to me, show answer. It's a chimney swift. So if you want to practice your bird identification, you can just go through and do random quizzes. Here we have a black-billed cuckoo. We also have some handy guides, such as the swallow identification guide, if you want to learn to identify all the different kinds of swallows you might see. And you can also check out the guide to recording nocturnal flight calls. And from the homepage, you can choose articles, and that will come up with all of the written content and guides that we've created. If we take a quick look at the eBird list from today, I didn't do complete lists, so the numbers aren't really that relevant. And here's my list from the East Spit, but again, I just put X's for everything. And if we take a look at hawk count, the count was not conducted today, so no write-up there. If we look at the forecast for tomorrow, we're looking at rain showers early with some sunshine later, high in the upper 60s, winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So the morning's not looking very good. In the afternoon when the sun pops out, that's looking better, but the wind direction isn't really that ideal. So I would expect light migration, especially as we're getting towards the end of May and getting ready to wrap up the season. For Sunday, we're looking at sunny except for a few afternoon clouds, high around 70, winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and I think we might get a lake breeze on this day, so probably start at the platform but might end up moving to Frisbee Hill. But in any case, I wouldn't expect much to be migrating. And for Monday, we're looking at partly cloudy, high in the mid-70s, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, so that's a decent wind direction. Fairly light. Again, there's a possibility of a lake breeze, so I would expect light, maybe moderate migration. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of these daily updates from the Braddock Bay Hawk Watch. This is David Brown. Thanks for watching.